happy birthday, Doug.
Thank you. What do you got there?
Brought a little Friday throwdown festivity for you.
We're gonna whack the piano.
Yeah, y'all are gonna. It's a pinata.
Pinata.
Not a piano, Doug. What do you think of the condition of the frame?
Poor. Beaver got after that over there. And then we got a bushing we got to rebuild this because that's not right. It's okay. Well, we'll smooth it, clean it up, powder coat, it'll be just fine.
Forklift that forks don't go. I don't know. I'm at a loss. It's a Monday.
So what are you about to do here?
I don't know. Casey keeps bringing on these cars for us to work on. So I guess I'm just gonna work on it.
Do some magic?
Yeah. Until he quits bringing them in.
I heard you might be doing some fiberglass work today.
Possibly. I gotta get the body off of that contraption and onto this contraption. This one looks like it'll roll a little easier.
How does one do that? With a bunch of manpower?
I'm gonna loosen all the bolts up and then get under here. Raise up with my back. And somehow I think I'm gonna have to crawl.
Make sure to bend your knees real good. It's just good form.
Crawl over that. Oh, actually, I'm gonna sit in there, and somebody's gonna have to twist the rotisserie, and I'll step over it like that, and then walk out, and then fall down, and hopefully it'll fall onto the body.
So 64 Corvette, still gonna be a big block 396, but we're putting a 6-speed manual transmission behind it. And we built a trans cross member to hold it at the degree we wanted it, but we have to modify this trans tunnel a little bit to keep the shifter in the same location because we want to use the factory console, factory style shifter, factory everything. So it looks apparent that this needs to be switched around to put here, and then it's got an offset hoodist that puts the shifter in the middle of this hole. So we're gonna make the modifications we need to and finish this up.
Every time I cut something, I always like hold my teeth, like grinding them almost. Like, I don't know why.
See, the 454 got painted over the weekend.
It did. Casey came in on Friday and painted it. I got it all ready for him on Thursday. So today I'm going to start wet sanding it and hopefully have it polished by maybe by the end of tomorrow. I don't know. It's going to be a lot harder because the doors were on it. We had to put the doors on it to make sure that our body lines lined up since we didn't really block it together. And they're actually like right on. There's no weight in the door right now, so it kind of sits up a little high, but once you put the regulator and the windows and everything in there, it'll drop it down and everything looks really good. So I think it's going to come out nice. I think somebody's supposed to come and sandblast the inside of the bed today. And then we'll have that wrapped up probably by the end of the week, and then start doing all the little stuff to it. But this one's actually going to get done before the Chevelle because it's running and it's
mostly together.
Yeah, it'll be a lot easier to get together and get finished, and then we can finish up the Chevelle after that. That's a lot of black.
Yeah. It's gonna look good.
It is. It already looks good from just looking at it now. You know, before it's wet sanded and polished, I like the way it looks. I mean, it's pretty straight. It's only gonna look even better after the wet sand and polish.
Have you seen my hat?
Yeah.
This is the legit way to do it in an automotive shop. Zip ties.
Zip tie the blindfold on it.
All right.
Oh. Ready? Go fast, ready. We don't have.
We look like Ray Charles over there with a baseball bat.
Oh shit.
Pick it up on him. Keep going, Doug. There's nothing hit the ground yet.
Oh, there. Take a swing at it.
Step into it, Doug. Step into it.
We gotta bring it to you? How'd you miss it? You're going between the legs.
Are you gonna throw it or is it in the air or what?
It's in the air right now.
Okay.
Ready?
Swing.
You missed it.
Whip. Alright, again. Ready? Swing. Alright, ready? 1, 2, swing. I heard it go.
You gotta be faster than the sound, Doug. If you hear the sound, you're too late.
Oh, there it goes. Oh, strawberries.
Ooh. Man, you got the cheap candy in this thing, too.
Dude, hey, man, come on now.
Strawberries is a good one.
Smarties, I like Smarties.
Hey, we got water guns. Hey, we got water guns.
This is like old people candy right here. Not keep that thing
Oh, yeah, I
on me.
like that stuff. They're good.
I had these since like the 3rd grade. Saltwater tabby? This type of stuff Doug hands out on Halloween.
The neighbors actually gave us some of that in Easter eggs.
Really?
Well, here's some more.
Don't put that in there.
That's gotta
They
go
were
in
good.
You know, you're getting a stack.
Well, happy birthday, Doug.
Thank you. Thanks, everybody. Eat my Smarties.
Oh yeah, you squeeze it.
We gotta save this $10 zip tie.
That is a good one. Thanks for watching.